Hi, boys and girls. How are you? All right, let's take a look at our date. Should we do a good morning song first? We haven't done the good morning song for a while. Ready? Good morning, everyone. And how are you today? We've come to the carpet to laugh and sing and play. So roll your hands so slow. Now roll them super fast and give your hands a clap, and fold them in your lap. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Open them. Shut them. Open them. Shut them. Give your hands a clap. Open them. Shut them. Open them. Shut them. Roll them in your lap. Creep them, crawl them right up to your chinny chin. And open up your little mouth. Put them in. Roll them, oh so slowly. Roll them fast, and give your hands a clap, and fold them in your lap. All right, boys and girls, ready? Let's do our date. Okay, there's 2 letters missing right here, and they make a th sound. It's a T and who remembers? An H, that's right. So a T and an H make a T sound. So we got thir. That one's an easy one. What's that one? S. That's right. Thursday. Now there's J, U, N. One letter goes N, like 9. And N, you got it. Thursday, June. And look at this. Who remembers what those are called? We haven't seen those for a little while. What are those called? 10 frame. So we know because that one is all filled, there are 10 dots in it. That's right. And there's one more, which makes 11. So it's the 11th, 2020. So Thursday, June 11th, 2020. And see that big word down there? That says subtraction. Do you know what subtraction means? Something that you've been learning in math this week. Subtraction means we're taking stuff away. So when we typically put 2 numbers together, we've been adding them. We've been doing addition. But so when you have, like, say if I had 5 and 5, or that 10 frame and one more, we were adding them. We were putting them together. So 10 and a 10 frame plus one more is 11. So we're adding them. If I have 5 and a 5 and I'm saying we're going to add them, how many would that make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's addition. That's called addition. So we've been adding them a lot. Subtraction is taking stuff away. Okay? So let's pretend Mrs. Benner had 10 fingers and I hurt 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. So 10, take 3 away, makes 7. So we're taking stuff away. If Mrs. Benner had 5 cookies and I was so hungry I ate 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many cookies are left? There's only 1 cookie left. If I had 6 burgers and I shared them with 6 friends, let's see how many would be left. So I gave 1 to Miriam, I gave 1 to Jude, I gave 1 to Layan, I gave 1 to Dan, I gave 1 to Logan, and I gave 1 to Reeman. And how many do I have left? No more burgers. So that's subtraction. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when we write it down, okay? So if we were adding let's pretend I had 5, and I'm going to add 5 more. 5, and I'm going to add 5 more. How many do I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you do addition, it looks like this. 5, and this means addition. You're going to add them together. So 5 and 5 make 10. If I was going to do subtraction, so let's pretend Mrs. Benner had 6 cookies and I ate 4 of them. Let's see how many will be left. So I have 6 cookies and I ate 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left? 2. That's right, 2. So when you do subtraction, it looks like this. 6, and I took away 4 of them, and there was only 2 left. Okay, so when you do addition, see what it looks like? You're going to add these 2 together to make a bigger number. When you do subtraction, you're taking it away to make a smaller number. Okay, so what I want you to do right now is we're going to do one together, okay? And we're going to see if you're able to do it. So if you have a piece of paper or a pencil or a pen or a marker, get it ready, okay? Because we're going to do it all together. So let's pretend Mrs. Benner had some lollipops. I had 3 lollipops, and Mrs. Martin brought 6 more. So we're going to add them together. So 3 from Mrs. Benner plus 6 from Mrs. Martin. How many lollipops do we have all together? So write that sentence down. So 3, and we're going to add. So remember what the symbol looks like when we add something. And then we're going to add the number 9 to that. Oh, 6, right? I said 6, right? I can't remember. Mrs. Martin brought 6 more. How many is all together? So 3, and Mrs. Martin brought 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do we have all together? 1, 2, 3 from Mrs. Benner, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Altogether we have 9. So let's see if your sentence looks like Mrs. Benner's. 3 plus, that means we're adding, right? Plus 6 equals 9. Let's do another one. We're going to do a subtraction one now. Let's pretend that Mrs. Garrettson came into our classroom. Mrs. Benner had 10 cookies, and Mrs. Garrettson came in our classroom and ate 4 of them. She was hungry. She didn't get lunch. How many are left? Okay, so Mrs. Benner brought 10 cookies in, and Mrs. Garrettson came in and ate 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 left. So let's see if your number sentence looks like Mrs. Benner's number sentence. 10. Take 4 away. There's 6 left. So all week, there was probably some fun activities about subtraction for you. So I just wanted to do a little lesson so you understand what subtraction means, okay? And tomorrow, there's a really cool pirate song that you should watch because I thought it was pretty funny, okay? He's going to make them walk the plank. Get your pirate voices ready. All right, boys and girls, I'm off. And I hope you have a great day. I won't see you tomorrow. Mrs. Benner's got some stuff to do, so I won't be able to see you tomorrow. But I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful weekend. All right, boys and girls, have a great day. Miss you. Bye, guys.